It's Thursday night, and this means just one thing. It's Live Lounge. St. Luke's Sound live in the Bradford studio, supporting local bands and singers in and around the Yorkshire area. Get ready, here it comes.
So good evening and a very warm welcome. Yes, it's Live Lounge on a Thursday evening, and we are live in the Bradford studio, and it's Tobi's second and final song. How did the first one went? You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was super fun.
Awesome, fantastic. It sounded amazing, so I'm looking forward to seeing the video. So the second song, what's the second song going to be?
I'm doing an Adele song. I'm doing Make You Feel My Love.
Wow, Adele's a big song. So yeah, looking forward to this. It's all yours. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears. I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. And I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, and I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Storms are raging down the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are rolling wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Wow, incredible. Second song finished on a bang. Well done.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.